Hey, listen, y'all. Today I'm finna be showing y'all how to draw with confidence. So basically, when y'all be, this is how y'all be drawing. This is how I used to draw too. I will always be like this. That's not how you're supposed to do it, because if you do this, then you're not drawing with confidence. This is how you draw with confidence. First, start off with like 2 lines, and then kind of draw in between them. You see? You see how that works? Like, and then when you draw this way, draw another line on top of this line, and then do that. And for example, you could even like do a zigzag. You're supposed to do like a real beefy line. Like, don't do a little scrawny line, because if you do a scrawny line, then it's gonna look like this. See, because it's like that's just how you're supposed to draw with confidence, y'all. Just draw really beefy lines. That's how I do it, at least. I don't know if this would help y'all, but hey, it's better just to share what I know, you know. And it's a lot more satisfying too. At least that's my opinion, though. And yeah, hope this helped y'all out. Make sure y'all follow and all that good stuff, y'all. Peace out, y'all.
Hey y'all, my last video I forgot to mention, don't go back on your lines like this. You see how I'm going back and forth on each line? Don't do that. It's just gonna make your drawings look messy. Just only draw in one direction, y'all. You see how I'm only drawing in one direction? I'm not going back and forth on my lines, because it looks a lot more smoother and a lot more thicker than a normal line would. And remember, draw thicker lines. Like I just said, it's like very critical to draw thicker lines, because when you draw thicker lines, it looks a lot more cleaner. It just looks smoother. It just looks better, y'all. I don't know. Remember, this is only if you want to draw confident lines, y'all.